everyone, welcome to Sanam's kitchen. Today's recipe is really simple masala curd rice, which I make it differently than traditional South Indian dish. It can be served as a side dish or a main course meal, and it is really delicious and very simple to make. So let's begin. So we need 2 cups of boiled rice. This is long grain rice, few curry leaves, chopped green chilies as per your taste, half cup of yogurt or dahi, 3/4 cup of chopped onions, 2 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 2 teaspoon of mustard seeds, 2 teaspoon of fennel seeds or saunf, turmeric powder, hing or asafoetida, salt as per taste, and 1 tablespoon of oil and cilantro to garnish. Now heat a pan. When pan is hot, add oil. We're going to add cumin seeds, mustard seeds and fennel seeds. Let them crack. Add hing and curry leaves. Let them splutter, and then we are going to add chopped onions. Saute for 1 or 2 minutes until it starts softening. Add turmeric powder. Saute for 1 to 2 minutes until the onion starts softening and starts browning the edges. Now add green chilies. And salt as per taste. Mix it really well. And add boiled rice. Now this is long grain rice, so I have boiled it and it's like al dente, so it's not all the way cooked, but it is cooked just like pasta. So when you're mixing it's not gonna break, so mix it really well. And then we are going to take the yogurt and I'm going to whisk it so it doesn't have any lump, and add it to the rice. Now this is really flavorful and moist, so it's really yummy. Really bright yellow color, and it will become more brighter. So the dish is ready. So now I'm going to take it out in a serving bowl. And garnish with cilantro or hara dhania. See how delicious it looks. Very fulfilling on its own. So try this recipe. It's really simple, so yummy. So I hope you like it. Thank you for watching.